Today we're in Sofia, Bulgaria. We started our day by going to a coffee shop called Furna, where we got a vegan banitsa, which is a famous Bulgarian pastry. This one was filled with pumpkin. Then it started raining, but we were planning on going on a walking tour, so we went anyway. We met our group at the courthouse, which had these massive lion sculptures out front. Our tour guide was this young guy from Sofia. He was an actor in their local theater. One of our first stops was this church where he told us King Boris in the early 20th century had his second attempted assassination here. His life was spared because he was late to the appointment because he was attending the funeral for his bodyguard that had protected him from his first assassination. Here we also saw a view of Sofia's most famous mosque and synagogue. Our guide told us that even though Bulgaria was on the side of the Germans in World War II, none of their Jewish people were killed because the authorities told Hitler that the Jews were coming, put them on trains, but just kept them traveling around Bulgaria until the war was over. He said that the people were not on board with the Holocaust, so they used the example of King Boris being late to his assassination as a template to avoid it.